science of today is technology of tomorrow. Edward Teller. Good morning to one and all present here. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the wonders of science through innovation and discovery. I warmly welcome you all to the InnoVision Inter-School Working Model Competition 2025 organized by St. Francis de Sales College, Seminary Hills, Nagpur. InnoVision is not only a celebration of knowledge and learning, but also an opportunity for students to demonstrate their understanding of technology and scientific principles to broader audience. We shall now proceed the event by lighting the lamp. This symbolizes the light of knowledge and spirit of innovation. I request His Grace Most Reverend Dr. Elias Gonsalves, Very Reverend Father Anthony D'Souza, Dr. Sanjay Sarve, and our esteemed judges to please light the traditional lamp. I request all the dignitaries to please take their seat on the dais. It's an honor to welcome His Grace Most Reverend Dr. Elias Gonsalves, the Archbishop of Nagpur, whose motto, to reconcile and unite all things in Christ, reflects in his dedication to harmony and unity. Having served as Bishop of Amravati and now as Archbishop of Nagpur since 2018, he has led initiatives like the Diocesan Synod and promoted pastoral and education development. A distinguished academic, he holds degree in history, economics, and leadership, and serves as CBCI chairman for education and culture at national level. It's a matter of pride that he renders his vision to all the educational institutions under Nagpur Archdiocese and especially to the SFS College as chairman. His visionary leadership and faith continue to inspire countless lives. I request our principal, Dr. Sanjay Sarve, to please welcome Your Grace with a floral bouquet. We are also delighted to welcome our Secretary, Very Reverend Father Anthony D'Souza. Father Anthony D'Souza is the Vicar General of the Archdiocese of Nagpur. Father has served in various pastoral capacities. He is a very renowned educator, philosopher, and administrator. He has served as a professor of philosophy over 3 decades and has also rendered his administrative acumen as principal of SFS College. Currently, Father serves as the manager of SFS College, SFS School, and SFS School of Excellence, and patronizes the educational activities undertaken by the Archdiocesan Education Board in the diocese. I request our principal, Dr. Sarve sir, to please welcome Father with a floral bouquet. We also take this opportunity to welcome our principal, Dr. Sanjay Sarve, whose phenomenal leadership and constant guidance has been a guiding light for us. I request Dr. Halim Ahmed, HOD of Physics Department, to please welcome Sir with the floral bouquet. I request all the participants to please show enthusiasm by clapping your hands. We are indeed overwhelmed and extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the judges whose presence, expertise, and guidance will undoubtedly inspire and motivate our young scientists to reach new heights. I request our junior college supervisor, Mrs. Aarti Pundlik, Physics Department, to welcome judges with a floral bouquet. Dr. Nitin Ghavgave. Welcome, sir. Dr. S.S. Boga. Welcome, sir. Dr. Sandeep Taras. Dr. Avinash Agrawal. Dr. Ratiram Chaudhary. Dr. Manish Chauhan. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our principal, Dr. Sanjay Sarve, sir, to please come forward for welcome address.
Good morning to one and all. To see the students, it's really heartening that so many students and teachers have come from various institutions. This inter-school working model competition we have organized with the idea that let us provide a platform to the budding minds to showcase their talent and put forth their innovative ideas to the world. And for this event, we have with us our inspiration, our chairman, Archbishop of Nagpur, Dr. Elias Gonsalves. I personally welcome him. Our support and guidance comes from Reverend Father Anthony D'Souza. I welcome you, Father. The distinguished judges, respected teachers, specifically respected teachers in charges from various schools, and dear students, I welcome you all to this important event. In the time to come, it will become a very big in the sense that we propose to organize this event every year. The date may differ, but we propose on that line. The seed of this inter-school working model competition has actually come from junior college teachers. It was sown by them. And now we can see that it is fructified in a good way, in a great way. And to that aspect also, they worked hard, they visited schools. And we can see the support. Around 100 exhibits are here now. And distinguished judges are here. High-profile judges are here, I tell you. So students will also able to learn something new. Those who have prepared the models, because the judges are professors from engineering colleges, professors from PG departments. So evaluation will be unbiased at all, I can assure you that. And just not that, you will be able to learn something new from them as well. So to this event, in this event, Some teachers have really worked hard. The organizing secretaries have really worked hard. Dr. Mahesh Sharma relentlessly worked on this idea. Our supervisor, Mrs. Aarti Pundlik, also continuously working, and Mr. Sachin Gurelwar is really all these three and the junior college staff coordinating properly and really trying to see that these events successfully hosted as well as implemented to the point that we thought of. To the organizing secretaries, as a certificate of appreciation, we would like to give these certificates to the organizing secretaries at the hands of our chairman, Dr. Elias Gonsalves. So I call upon Dr. Mahesh Sharma, thereafter Mrs. Aarti Pundlik, and Mr. Sachin Gurelwar to receive the certificates, these certificates of appreciation at the hands of our chairman. May I request our chairman to give away these certificates. Let us applaud his efforts. He's continuously working. May I call Aarti ma'am, please? Let us give her a big hand. Sachin sir, where is he? Around? So dear all, once again I welcome you all. Have a great day today. Bye.
Thank you, sir. We are overwhelmed by the presence of esteemed judges. I now take this opportunity to introduce and felicitate our first judge, Dr. Nitin Devrao Ghavgave. Dr. Ghavgave is a distinguished academic and professional with over 31 years of experience in teaching, research, and academic administration, holding a PhD in electrical engineering from VNIT Nagpur and a MBA from Nagpur University. He has significantly contributed to electrical power systems and education. He has served as the head of department and principal at prestigious institute like Government College of Engineering, Nagpur. With expertise in power system analysis, deregulation, and automation, Sir has published extensively, including award-winning research recognized at international platforms. As a PhD supervisor, a member of multiple academic committees, and a guide for numerous projects, he has fostered innovation and excellence in engineering education. We are glad to have you amongst us, sir. I now request Dr. Mahesh Sharma to please felicitate Sir with memento and shawl. Now, moving to the second member of our panel, Dr. Shyam Bhoga. Dr. Bhoga is an esteemed academic and researcher who has served as the head of postgraduate department of physics at the RTMNU Nagpur University. He holds an MSc, MPhil, and PhD in physics from Nagpur University. With over 3 decades of experience in research teaching, Dr. Bhoga has significantly contributed to the field of material science, state gas sensors, solid electrolytes, and batteries. He has been actively involved in research projects funded by prestigious organizations. Dr. Bhoga's accolade includes a Cambridge Hamid visiting lectureship and awards for his work in solid-state ionics. He has also played key role in university administration and collaborative international research efforts. We are delighted to have you with us, sir. I request Dr. Mahesh, sir, to please felicitate sir with memento and shawl. Thank you, sir.
We have with us retired Deputy Director, Directorate of Technical Education, Mumbai, Dr. Sandeep Taras. Dr. Taras holds a master's degree in physics and has a distinguished career in education. He served as a lecturer and head of Department of Electronics at various government polytechnics, including those in Khamgaon, Amravati, Yavatmal, Arvi, and Nagpur. Apart from his professional accomplishments, Mr. Taras is deeply passionate about arts and craft. He is also actively involved with Vigyan Bharati, where he contributes to the Atal Tinkering Lab project, providing training to both school teachers and students to encourage innovation and hands-on training. Sir, we are honored to have you with us. I request Dr. Sharma to felicitate Dr. Taras with a memento and shawl. It is my privilege to introduce our esteemed guest, Dr. Avinash Agrawal. Dr. Agrawal is an associate professor and associate dean for IT and cybersecurity in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Ramdev Baba University, Nagpur. With a PhD in Computer Science and Engineering from VNIT, Nagpur, and MTech from NIT, Raipur, and a BE from MIET, Gondia, he has over 26 years of experience in teaching, research, and administration. Dr. Agrawal has made remarkable contributions in his field. He has published over 100 research papers, secured 6 patents, and guided numerous PhD students. Dr. Agrawal has held leadership roles, including as former head of the department and Dean of Academics at Sri Ramdev Baba College of Engineering and Management. He is also a certified expert in generative AI by NVIDIA and an active industry trainer. I request Reverend Father Praveen D'Souza to felicitate Dr. Avinash Agrawal. It is an honor to have you, sir. Thank you, Father.
Without further ado, I would like to acquaint you with our next judge, Dr. Rathiram Chaudhary, a distinguished figure in the field of chemistry. Sir is an associate professor and head in the Department of Chemistry at Seth Kesarimal Porwal College, Kamti, Nagpur. Sir has received various prestigious awards like Best Young Chemistry Teacher, Best Researcher Award 2023, and awarded twice with Rajiv Gandhi National Fellowship Award. His areas of interest in research are biogenic synthesis, photocatalysis, etc. Dr. Chaudhary has also been a dedicated mentor, guiding and inspiring research as well as PG students. Sir has published several patent books and articles. He has contributed significantly in the development of innovative teaching methods. We are glad to have you amongst us. I request Father Praveen D'Souza to honor Dr. Rathiram Chaudhary. Thank you, Father. It is my privilege to introduce Dr. Manish Devendra Chauhan, an Associate Professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at Yashwantrao Chauhan College of Engineering, Nagpur, with 24 years of teaching experience. Dr. Chauhan has published and presented over 36 papers in various national and international journals. He has received Best Paper Awards in international conferences as well. Sir has contributed to innovation in the field of wireless communication and networking. We are honored to have you as a judge for today's event. I would like to request Father Praveen D'Souza to felicitate Dr. Manish Chauhan. Thank you once again, Father.
Moving ahead, I would now like to request Your Grace to please enlighten us with his words of wisdom.
Good morning, everybody. You all are quiet. Say good morning. So, my distinguished and esteemed guests and judges here, respected teachers, parents, and you, my dear young and talented participants. It is with great pleasure and honor that I stand here to welcome you all to the Inter-School Working Model Competition at SFS College, a platform, InnoVision, dedicated to celebrating the incredible talents of our school children, high school and secondary children. Today marks the beginning of an exciting journey. When we begin the journey, it is very much exciting and we look forward with hope for new adventures, where creativity, determination, and passion will shine brightly. This contest is not just an event, but a celebration of the boundless potential within each child. God has blessed you with so many talents, skills, and a good character, where we need to build on and make each one of you as God's beautiful creation. It is a stage where dreams take flight, ideas find expression, and skills are honored and honed. Whether it is through art, music, dance, or different writing, sports, or any other form of talents, but above all, also technological, digital, scientific, robotic, and artificial intelligence, that which is inviting all of us for newness, something that which is creative. This is your time to show the world what you are capable of. My dear children, it is always the education should be holistic. खाली ऊपर का मजला बढ़ाकर यानी only intellectual capacities building is not sufficient. 4H education, which is known to all of you, education for head, education for heart, education for hands, and education for health. Our education should be holistic. And from that point of view, I see a lot of you sitting with not just technological, but there are some plants, there are some creative made things with hands. So all our faculties are being used for these presentations here. To our participants, remember that this is not just about winning, but about learning, growing, and embracing the joy of participation. Every effort you put today is a step towards building confidence, perseverance, and resilience, qualities that will take you far beyond this contest that which you are participating. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the teachers and parents who nurture and encourage these young minds every day. From morning till evening, you are in presence of your teacher and your parents. My dear teachers and parents, your guidance and unwavering support are the pillars of not just success, but making meaningful and purposeful progress into humanity. To our esteemed judges, I was very much impressed, all who are coming from qualified and very, very highly skilled involvement in their own institutions. We trust your expertise and fairness as you take on the challenging task of recognizing and rewarding excellence. Let us all cheer our children, our participants here, appreciating their efforts and celebrating their uniqueness. Kindly give them a big hand. I'm confident that today's event will leave us all inspired and filled with pride in the talents, intelligence, and potential of our future generation. With great enthusiasm, I now declare the Inter-School Working Model Competition InnoVision open at this moment. Let the creativity flow that the magic may begin. Once again, thank all of you, the participants, the teachers, parents, and the judges, and I especially congratulate all the participants and wish you all the best to all those who are going to be very actively involved in this whole program. May God bless you and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Grace, for your words of enlightenment. Indeed, we thank you for the appreciation given to all the children who are the young scientists of tomorrow. Inter-school competition open, so all are requested to be ready as the judges and the dignitaries will come around. Thank you very much.
And my model name is Megha Tropicus. Megha means clouds in Sanskrit and Tropicus means tropical in French. So my model is a mixture of 17 sustainable goals with the help of technology. So now it senses the moisture. Now it has moisture, and when the moisture will be removed but sir, this
It
will
give the
be
indication.
yes sir, but sir, it will be accurate.
But how you think
So,
to prepare
sir,
such type of model?
Yes, it is a weather forecasting type of model. So, sir, nowadays we see our farmers whose crop get wasted. So now my family is also from a farmer's background, and there are people who have houses in lower surface. So water gets inside their house. So now, because we are not available, we don't have the information. So now I thought, if we are doing weather prediction, why don't we do?
What is the name of the project have you written?
Fire alarm. The circuit used is a fire alarm. The sensor used as a germanium diode. When the temperature of the diode increases, the junction of the diode break down and start conducting.
So can you demonstrate?
Yes.
Demonstrate karo. Correct. It will give this buzzer. It will be activated.
Yes.
For how many minutes? इसको रोकेंगे कैसे?
सर जब इसका टेम्परेचर कम हो जाएगा ये खुद ब खुद ही रुक जाएगा.
Which is this IC?
IC 555.
Timer IC. Correct. Which is this components?
Electrolyte capacity.
Correct. Which is this component?
Capacity.
Which
This
type?
is
This buzzer. It requires how many voltage?
9 volt.
9 volt. Correct. What is this?
Transformer.
What is the use of transformer?
It converts the AC current into DC current according to need.
According to need. So this is 230 volts. So what is the output of this? How many volt it is giving your transformer?
9 volt.
this car, all the four wheels will rotate by the steering, and it is easy to make to reduce the turning radius. जैसे टर्निंग रेडियस को कम करने के लिए ये कार यूज़ होती है, ये वाला सिस्टम।
For the poor people, can they use this product? No, they'll not use this product if it is costly, correct? So we have to take care of everyone so that everyone should use this mechanism, okay? If we see the poor boy from poor family, if we want to build, if we want to go in business field, and if we want to build industry, go down, है ना? If you see cylinder सबके घर पे आता है, ऐसा कोई नहीं है जिसके घर पे cylinder use नहीं होता है। तो it is very beneficial, हम बोल सकते हैं, एक field है जहाँ।
These are the anti-collision glasses. These are specially made for visually impaired people. When any obstacle comes in path of these ultrasonic sensor, it makes a beeping sound. This alerts the visually impaired person. This makes the blind person independent and creates more responsibility, creates more opportunities for them. It is very lightweight and affordable.
Coding, Python based. So this is my personal assistant Coco. This is a work on Python. इसका काम ये है कि ये कुछ भी ओपन कर सकता है ऑटोमेटिकली, आपको मैन्युअली करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये एक ऐसा ऐप है जो एलेक्सा जैसा काम करता है, और अगर आपको ज़रूरत होगी तो ये अपने आप ही जोक या फिर जैसे कि जैसे कि वेबसाइट्स वगैरह ओपन करना है तो वो कर देगा। ये उसके सब ये लिंक्स है, ये सब ओपन कर देगा। अगर आपको कभी इंस्टाग्राम यूज़ करना है तो ऑटोमेटिक कर लेगा, मैन्युअली करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। और जैसे कि मैंने बोला जोक्स, तो ये जोक्स भी बना के दे देगा, इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में अवेलेबल है। और अगर आपको पीसी को कंट्रोल करना है जैसे कि शट डाउन, रिस्टार्ट, तो ये वो
इसे SOS कहते हैं, सेव आवर सोल्स। पुराने ज़माने में क्या होता था, जब कोई पायरेट एक शिप पे फंस जाता था, वो बॉटल में एक इंसेप्चुलेटेड मैसेज भेजता था लोगों को अलर्ट करने। तो हमारा मकसद ये मॉडर्न SOS भेजता है लोगों की लाइफ बचाने, उनकी जान बचाने। तो हम हमारे मॉडल पे आते हैं। तो समझो ये बच्चा खेल रहा है और पूल में गलती से डूब जाता है। ये पूल में सेंसर लगे हुए हैं जो पूल में ऐसे गिरने की इरेगुलरिटी चेक करते हैं और एक अलार्म बजाते हैं। फिर जो लाइफ गार्ड ड्यूटी पे रहेगा वो अलार्म की आवाज़ सुन के ये पूल को ऊपर करेगा। एज यू कैन सी ये पूल ऊपर होते जाएगा, कुछ ही सेकेंड पे इसकी लाइफ बच जाएगी। ऑल्सो इसमें ये जाली लगी हुई है, ये जाली कचरे को भी बहुत ईजीली क्लीन करती है। दिस कैन फिल्टर आउट द गार्बेज इन लेस देन 30 seconds.
My question for you here is, how do you feel this competition contributes in students' learning and experience beyond the classrooms?
Yeah, beyond the classroom, I think so that this will be more beneficial to the students, and it enhances the practical knowledge of the student than the theoretical knowledge.